Yo, what it do? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Michelle, and I'm bringing you guys an eyebrow tutorial because I know all of you ask and wonder how I get these things to look like that.
I'm always tip top when they say I'm not hot. All these lies need to stop, cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been no one get.
Shut your dumb ass up.
Shout out to Jux. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm using the shade Chocolate by the Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm using a Colourpop angled brush. And I'm sorry for the lighting, it's just like that. And the way I start from my arch going towards my end. Alright, I like listening to music while I do my makeup. Anyways, getting to this, I'm going over my brow where I have a lot of sparse areas. I don't know why, but my hair won't grow there, and it makes me really mad, but that's the way things are on my face. And I'm gonna use an elf brush that I got. It was the Brow Duo, and I'm just gonna use the spoolie side to blend out any harsh lines. And doing that causes my eyebrows to kind of go everywhere. So I am grabbing a brush that I used to conceal. I don't remember where I got it. It broke. I am sad. I am using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And like I said, my brush broke, so I had to tape it. I guess I was like concealing my life away, so had to try to tape it together, see what I could do. And I like to blend the concealer with my eye because I like to look more awake. And I go ahead and blend the middle because I don't want it to look like a unibrow. Go ahead and fix anything is weird, or yeah, I try to conceal, or I try to fix anything I can. Go in there, go back in there, and see what I can do. If I get frustrated, then I just leave it. Okay. And I am going in with another concealer by the same brand, different shade. This is the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going on the top of my eyebrow and fixing any like bumps or anything. And so here I kind of realized that my eyebrows are a little uneven, but that's okay because I always go in and fix anything I can towards the end. And I'm taking another shade of the Anastasia Dip Brow, the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going into the end just so it has that fading effect. And I am taking the They're Real by Benefit mascara, and I'm just gonna set my eyebrows because I'm too broke to afford a real brow gel. Just kidding. I just find that this works really well with my eyebrows, I guess. My eyebrows are sisters, not twins, okay? Sorry. Sorry for blocking the camera. It's like weird. The mascara left a little clump, so I tried to go in and fix it. Got me a little mad, but it's okay. And like I said, I like to blend my concealer to my eye because I have dark circles and I just like to even out my eye. I got a little mad, but it's okay. I'm not stressing or anything, just go back and fixing it. And I'm taking a little brush that I got and applying highlight. I know it barely looks like it, but I'm using the You Had Me at Hello palette by Colourpop. And I'm using both of the highlight shades. Well, I think they're highlight shades. Called The Knot and Moonstruck. And so, yeah. Like I said, I went in and fixed my other eyebrow. The first one that I've did because it looked a little uneven. And so yeah, that is it. I will have all the items I use in the description down below. Go ahead and check that out. I will keep updating you guys on how I do my makeup, my eyebrows, anything you guys want. If you guys want a simple eyeshadow tutorial, I'll go ahead and give that to you guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment something nice down below, and I'll update you guys. Yeah, so that's basically it for today, y'all. I went to go get wings. They were good. It was such a nice day out. So yeah, y'all have a good night.